Okay, so I normally don't get to film at home, but the fact that I'm filming at home, I finally get to see I have a problem. And it's hard to admit that you got a problem when you got a problem. But the first step to when you got a problem is admitting that you have a problem. So I admit, I got a problem. I love BMWs. No motor. Has a motor, but it's taken apart. Was working, everything was fine until I took it apart. Works, but got a little steering wobble and little problems. The reason why I got these gloves on right now, I'm about to hop on this. She works. I give it that. That car works, but it got a little problems here and there too. But today, I'm about to get it cracking on the E36. But my problem is serious, man. It's bad, man. I got problems, man. And to fix my problems, I gotta fix these cars. So I'm gonna get to fixing these cars. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Fix these cars to fix my problems. It's depressing. So we got a steering wobble. Look at that. It's making me mad. Able to drive M3 like that, man. Scary, bro. No handling, no nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I already took this screw off. It's a 16 millimeter, I believe. All right. Bam. All right, that comes off. Then there's like a little clip or ring right there. That comes off. All right. Then there's another clip right here. Thinking that's what it is. You see that right there? The little same thing, and it's cracked. Yeah, that might be our problem, dog. I think that's broken. So I gotta get this dumb clip off. We'll see how I do that. Alright, so I think I figured it out. You get a pair of these right here, and you separate it. I think if I do it right, almost. Maybe these will work. Alright, so what had happened was I had got this thin little flathead right there. This. I got that up under there, pushed that, and got that out. So now it should be. Start taking all that off. So I guess I didn't have all of it out. This little black piece was part of it too. Bam. So that comes out. That's supposed to go like that, I guess. This one spins off freely, cool. This one's all beat up. So this is the new one. But before I put this one in, I want to grease it all up, then put it in. So first I'm gonna grease it up, then I'm gonna slide it in. So let me go get some grease. I'll be right back. Get you some high temp grease. Rubbing that thing all up in. So what I did is I got an old bushing. I got one of them things. And I got a hammer. So now we can see. That ain't working. Maybe it is working. It is working. I gotta go down a little more. I'm gonna try everything real quick without the rats to see if it worked. Let's see. That ain't it. Oh, that didn't fix the problem, y'all. I'm gonna put everything back for now, and then I guess we'll figure it out later.